I need to firstly explain about the keywords, because one of the most important and startup for our systematic literature review is that the keyword should be properly defined, and that keyword should be
has joined the meeting.
That keyword should be based on your findings, what previous researchers have used the keywords in the previous articles. So from there, you can find out the keywords based on your research area. Like you want to use keywords like I have given the example of how how digital technologies affected healthcare services. So based on that research question, I identified the keywords. That keywords are like